Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave, and for today's Thursday's Medical Minute, we are going to have some fun. Today, I am going to speak about the most unusual medical ICD codes. What is an ICD code? Well, when you go to the doctor or hospital, they assign an ICD code based on your complaint or diagnosis so they can bill the insurance company. A typical ICD code is 401.1 for a diagnosis of high blood pressure. But there are some really weird ICD codes. So today, I am going to share my favorite few. The first medical diagnosis code is V97.33XD, sucked into a jet engine. If you are ever sucked into a jet engine and survive, don't worry, because there is a medical diagnosis code for that, and you can get treatment and the hospital will get paid. I wonder who came up with this code and how many people actually survive after being sucked into a jet engine. My next favorite diagnosis code is W61.62XD, struck by a duck. Now, I know this happens and can be serious, but I just can't help feeling that I am reading a Dr. Seuss book when I say struck by a duck. Maybe they can change it to struck by a waterfowl. And finally, my favorite diagnosis code is Z63.1, problems in relationship with in-laws.
Oh, come on, we'll have some fun. I'll show you how it works.
Yeah, I shouldn't.
Well, why should you be afraid? You have nothing to hide.
No, I know.
I know you know, so there shouldn't be any problem.
This is going to be popular. Enough said. Okay, there you have it. My favorite medical diagnosis codes. Just a little medical humor and fun on this week's post. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.